Good morning, my dear folks. Are you also planning to have HR certifications, or what is the importance of HR certifications in the career growth? I'll share you an interesting thing when I met with two top HR leaders last week. One was having no certification but having massive work impact. Another was having global certification but struggling to drive the results. Then I realized that certification is not going to define your success. It will not guarantee you. What it will help you that it will give you an overall HR structure. It will also help you to speak global HR language. Open doors, but it will not walk you through. In today's evolving world, HR is not just about policies and hiring. It's about culture, data. It's about employee work experience. It's about diversity, equity, and inclusion. It's about understanding business and then work closely as per the strategy. So if you are also planning to have HR certification, make sure you use it wisely. If you're not sure, then connect to me. I'm Kamlesh Sharma, your HR, who's going to help you to succeed. Thank you.